Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to tonight's episode where today we're going to be talking about the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 actually having a fantastic trading session today. We are digesting the last couple of trading sessions gains. We've seen a significant rally here for the NASDAQ 100. The lows on Friday was all the way down at 13,850, and at this moment in time, where we're currently trading around 14,900, we have rallied 7.5% since Friday's low. So I'm really happy to see the NASDAQ 100 digesting these gains. Shout out to everyone in my signal team. We are about to trigger my take profit. We actually had a high today all the way up at 14,982. Our take profit is all the way up at 15,000, so we were about 18 points away from achieving our take profit. So I'm very certain that will go ahead and hit 15,000 potentially overnight or maybe going into tomorrow's trading session. But before I get started for today's video, guys, anyone who hasn't watched the video that I posted this morning with regards to the NASDAQ 100, go and watch it now. It doesn't matter that, I film this in the morning and my trading session has already taken place because to be honest with you, it has nothing to do with today's trading session. It's more medium to longer term. And in this video here, it's a nice 18-minute video. I explain the reasons as to why I only believe there's going to be 3 interest rates this year. I don't think there's going to be 5, 6, 7, as some banks and hedge funds are coming out saying. I honestly do not think that's going to happen. I think, maximum we'll get 3 or maybe even 4 interest rate hikes this year, but at this moment in time the market's probably priced in around 5, maybe 6, and I think it could spark a fantastic rally going into springtime. But let's just analyze the NASDAQ 100 for this moment in time. So the NASDAQ 100 up at around 14,900. We're trading just below the 200-day EMA, and for the NASDAQ 100, for us to understand where it could potentially go next, it's all about that 200-day. It's all about that 200-day EMA. Providing that we are underneath the 200-day EMA, well then, that is a massive risk that we could fall lower. But for me, it's all about this candlestick here now. If we break below 14,371, which is this area here, that to me is very bearish, and we could go and have a second bounce and then potentially rebound back towards those all-time highs. If we can get a daily close above the 200-day EMA and we manage to stay there for more than 24 hours, that is extremely bullish. That to me would then mean that we could potentially got towards 15,500, where the 50-day EMA is, and of course that is the final hurdle here for the NASDAQ 100. If we can do what we would have done with a 200-day EMA and got a daily close above it, well then that to me then tells me that a retest towards the all-time highs is back on. But of course that's still a long way away. We're still underneath the 200-day EMA. But at this moment in time, I'm very impressed with how the NASDAQ 100 has held up. On Friday, we had that 3% rally, of course, and I've studied a lot of corrections and bear markets in my time, and seeing a massive bull run on Friday is actually quite a common thing. It's a lot of people who basically they covered their shorts just in case any bullish news comes out during the weekend. But it was actually yesterday's session that really impressed me. I did not expect to be up another 3.2% yesterday. I thought that we could have had a bullish session, don't get me wrong, but 3.2% was fantastic here for the NASDAQ 100, and the fact that for a third day in a row we are now digesting those gains and we're staying up at these swing highs, that's very, very bullish indeed. And I think we just, all we need now is a catalyst to push us above the 200-day EMA. And what do we have later on this evening? We have earnings from the likes of Alphabet, which I think are going to smash earnings, AMD, Qualcomm. As well as that, going into midweek, we have Meta, and these are companies that I really do anticipate to bring out some fantastic figures and numbers, and I think that they could be the catalyst that sends the NASDAQ 100 back above the 200-day EMA. So watch this space. I am a buyer. I myself and my signal team are about to achieve our first take profit here for the NASDAQ 100, where we bought the dip last Monday, where we had that parabolic move towards the downside, and I did see stress and a lot of stupidity in that trading session that day, where a lot of people were selling down here at these lows. So I took full advantage of that. I went shopping. I announced that on my YouTube channel. I announced that on my signal team. But at this moment in time, I'm making a significant amount of money, and I think that we're only just getting started here for the NASDAQ 100. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.